Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my BaBylissPRO travel size straightener. I first found out about this Babyliss hair straightener because my stylist is a holistic hairstylist, and she has the bigger size of this one. She is really into healthy hair research, and so I went ahead and did my research on this straightener. What immediately caught my attention was the Nano Titanium plate. Nano Titanium it's a material that's known for exhibiting even heat distribution. So that ensures that my hair is evenly straightened without having to pass the iron over it again and again, which will reduce my potential for heat damage. So that's what initially caught my attention. I love the 1/2-inch plate, which is perfect for my short, thin hair, and it's perfect for precise styling. I am in love with this straightener, and I love that it's a travel size so I can take it with me on my trips and wherever I go. It's user-friendly. You just plug it in and click the on button. And I think that this flat iron is a must-have for anyone who demands professional results and values healthy hair. And that's my point of view.